Hi everyone, today I am super excited to share this month's paper pumpkin with you. This is the September 2020 Hello Pumpkin Paper Pumpkin Kit. We're going to talk about this in a minute. This is really exciting, so I want to talk to you about this next month's kit, but I want to show you this one while I've got you here. So this kit contains some Halloween and fall themed stamps, and I want to show you those. There's a Have a Happy Halloween, Give Thanks, Hello Pumpkin, Trick or Treat, Spooky and Sweet, and then you've got a pumpkin which you can add a little jack-o'-lantern face to if you so choose. There's a larger one that goes on this pumpkin, or a small little face that goes on this pumpkin. This would also be cute if you maybe make a paper pumpkin out of your circle punches or some oval punches. You can add a jack-o'-lantern face, really cute. And then there's some fall leaves, and it's a really cute pumpkin, and this is like a witch's hat with a little fall embellishment. So really cute stamp set to add to your collection. I love having the holiday themed stamps. You also get a Cajun Craze stamp spot, so that's nice color to add. And then the kit. Now I've heard about this kit already, and it's going to make 20 of these cracker style treat holders. Now this is right up my alley because I make treats a lot for the kids. I do the little kids class at church, so I have little kids, and then I also have my own children, and they have friends and stuff like that. So I always like the fall themed kits, and these are double-sided, so you can choose, do you want to do this check in like Cajun Craze, or there's a pumpkin pie stripe, and that's up to you what you want to do as far as sizes or colors go. And then I heard they were talking about all the embellishments that you get, and you can decide, do you want to go with Halloween or do you want to go strictly fall? And so there's a choice to be made here, and let me see if I can find all the different little, yep, here we go. So here we have, you can't see it because it's black on black, but these are little black cats. Super cute. I had a black cat for many, many years. And so anyway, this is a little cat, and there's a bunch of those. And there's also some little hats. So these would be if you wanted to go the Halloween route. But if you don't want to go the Halloween route, you don't have to, because not everybody does Halloween treats. These would be great at your Thanksgiving table. You can make a little treat box and put it out for Thanksgiving at your table for each guest. I know we don't have a lot of, I don't know what's going on for Thanksgiving this year with the social distancing, but maybe you can have something for people and just deliver them and spread some Thanksgiving cheer if we're not meeting in person. We'll have to see how it goes. But there's enough here so you can do them for Thanksgiving or for Halloween, and you can make those choices. And again, you can turn these into Halloween by adding that jack-o'-lantern face. So there's a bunch of little banners. You can decide if you want to go with the Give Thanks. There's a Give Thanks, or you can go with the Trick or Treat, whatever you want to add to your sentiment to make it specific to what your needs are. I know not everybody does Halloween, and so this way you've got choices here. Here is and here's all kinds of more die cuts, and you're going to have leftovers too, because let's say you do all the Halloween ones, well then you're going to have all these leftover Thanksgiving pieces, and you can use those on some cards. So here's the treat holders. You make 20 of these, and they've shown some pictures of them as Halloween treats, and they've shown some pictures of them as Thanksgiving treats, or just fall in general. Nice to give thanks during the fall season. You can give these to teachers who are kind of working hard to maintain school these days, or who can you give thanks to? Maybe you can drop these off at a nurse's station or someplace where you want to send some cheer. So the instructions are in here, and they make these cute little cracker style, and you know, like Christmas crackers. I always think of them as a Christmas thing where you make these little tubes and then you can kind of pull them apart to reveal the treats inside, crack them open. And so some suggestions of what to put inside would be Hershey Kisses. You can fit a few in there, and I'm going to have to make some of these up. I was thinking of sending some to my son who is away at college this year, and I could send some for the kids that he's dorming with, or my niece is also away at college this year. I can send a few for her and her roommates, or maybe you've got some kids in the military who are off and away from home, so or grown-ups in the military. I'm thinking of my specific needs. But anyway, these are really cute. They're adorable little Christmas crackers, and I love that you get 20. They always do that in the fall, and the treat holders. And I usually, myself personally, use up a couple kits just for myself. So I did get some extras this month, so if you wish you had gotten this, contact me. We'll see if I haven't used them all up. I have lots of ideas for what I want to do with these, and so I'm trying to see if I can make one super quick. Anyway, I think it's a really cute kit, and I think that the embellishments, you're going to have some leftover, so you can use some of these leftover fall and Halloween pieces on a card. So you're going to kind of put it together like this. You can kind of see me doing it really fast, and you're going to adhere that. And then I've made these before, you can tell. I actually have a tutorial on this style box on my YouTube channel already. You can look up, it's a few Christmases ago, how to make one of these with a 6x6 piece of cardstock. You can score it every inch and it makes a cute little thing. Anyway, here you can see that you can fit a few, maybe 4 or 5 Hershey Kisses in there. And then you tie a little bow here to close it, or you can add some adhesive. Now, of course, they give you adhesive. You've got some twine to tie the ends, and you've got adhesive in here in this little bag. And then you've got all your die cuts, your cute stamp. I love this little label, has some stitching on it. These little flowers, you can make them pumpkin pie, or you can use a sponge and make them any color. Lots of cute, here's a ton of leaves. Look at, there's just you can't see because they're like tone on tone here, but these are just different shapes of leaves and flowers. And this one's kind of more mapley looking. This one looks more like an oak leaf. And so anyway, there's just a whole bunch of nice little leaves and tons of them. I mean, just tons of them. So you're going to have leftovers, and you're going to use those on just a whole bunch. I mean, look at all, here's more flowers. The embellishments that come with this, you're going to have a lot to play with here. Anyway, this is the September Hello Pumpkin kit, and you're going to have to contact me right away if you want this, because like I said, I bought a few extra, but I have ideas in my head for I now have college kids, so treat flavors and things like that are going to go fast, and I intend to use a lot of these personally. I wonder if you can find something to do with these. I wonder if you laid these on a card, you know, you get these little diamonds, you can make a little background pattern. I don't know. I bet you could. I'm sure that somebody out there is thinking that same way and making some patterns with these little diamonds. Okay, so that's this one. Now I want to talk to you quickly about this Joy to the World kit. I've heard about this one already too, and I haven't seen it. I can imagine what they're doing though, because they've kind of given us a description. And this is the next month's kit, so you have to sign up for this one by October 10th, and it's called Joy to the World. And that is quite literally what they want us to do. They want us to spread joy to the world, because this kit, you know how you always got these embellishments and stuff. They've told us that this kit is going to have English, like, you know, embellishments, but it's also going to have maybe the word joy. And you can kind of see on this box that they've got the words in like peace and love and here harmony, joy, in all different languages. And we have, Stampin' Up! Has markets in France and Germany and Australia, New Zealand, and the UK. So we've got, and we've even got Japan now. So we've got literally people across the globe that are stampers just like you and I, and they want us to spread joy to the world. So they're giving all markets the same words in different languages. So you'll have enough if you want to make them all in your own language, but you're also going to have extra die cut embellishments in other languages. So you can use them on the cards, and you can join. There's a Facebook group for this kit already started, and people are signing up. And if you want to get a pen pal or just connect with people using this kit all across the globe, And it is just a Facebook group just for this kit, so it'll last a little while. And you can meet people who are stampers just like you, but in Australia or France or, you know, wherever. And you can send them a card and they can send you a card because they're going to get English versions as well. And you can kind of get a nice little spreading joy all across the globe. So they're taking the joy to the world quite literally next month. I think it's really exciting. You can join that Facebook group and connect there with somebody, and maybe even connect with someone in your own area, which would be fun. And once we can not social distance anymore, you can maybe get together with somebody in your own area. Anyway, this is a nice kit. It says it's going to make 8 elegant cards. So, and it says that the colors are going to be like cherry cobbler and so very Christmassy colors. And they're saying that they're going to be elegant greeting card size. So not small, not note cards. They're going to be mailable greeting card sizes, and you're going to make 8. And you're going to, like I said, you're going to get embellishments. The die cut lettering are going to be in English, but you're also going to get French and German. You're going to get a variety of languages in there as well. So that is the joy to the world. This one you have to sign up by October 10th. And they do think this one is going to sell out. Usually from here on out, the paper pumpkins do tend to sell out because the holidays are fun. And you know, we send more cards at this time and the treats. So I think this will probably go fast. And I do believe that the joy to the world will go fast, and next month and next month. So I think from here till the January kit, or even maybe the February for Valentine's, those kits are going to go fast. So sign up for Paper Pumpkin. You can do it as a monthly thing where you just pay by the month and keep going. Or you can sign up, just say you want to sign up for 6 months only and do a 6-month kit, and then you stop at the end of 6 months. They'll send you an email. Or you can do a 3-month, you can do a year. There's all different ways to do it. I'm going to have a link in the description of this video with my email, or my my Paper Pumpkin link. So if you click on that, it'll go right to my store, and you can sign up for Paper Pumpkin the way you want to. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave it. If you want an September kit, contact me quickly. And then if you want to get this one in October, sign up for this one online. Maybe not even wait to get it from me after the fact, because I do believe, like I said, that this one will sell out faster than other kits, for example. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this Paper Pumpkin. I think I'm going to really enjoy these extra embellishments, because I think I'm going to do a whole box in Halloween and maybe a whole box in fall. I'm going to go through a lot of these. They're really cute and really fun. Oh, I wanted to show you. I found some Hershey Kisses. Not for this project, actually, but for a different one. But I thought they were really cute, and they're on my desk. I'm going to show you. Monster Kisses. These are cute for little kids. They have, like, cute little eyeballs, and I thought these were really fun. These are going in a different project that I'll make a video for soon. And then this one, Vampire Kisses, have red strawberry cream inside. I mean, they don't have the bite marks. That's just anyway. But you're going to have strawberry cream inside these chocolate kisses, so it's Vampire Kisses. And then I saw online, but they were out of them when I went to get them. They had some Hershey Kisses with little fall leaves, which I thought would look great with this. And then my Target was out. So I'm going to have to look when I am at my grocery store and see if they have them. But there were some fall Hershey. They always have fall kisses. So you can pick up a bag of fall kisses and put them in your little Hershey treats. If you just have to go with plain ones, that's okay too. But the fall ones are really fun, and I love the little monster eyes. So I think those will go to some of my littler kids that I give treats to. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.